Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting into the service menu quickly. Turn ignition to on without starting the engine, or press start once. Once done, navigate to Settings Vehicle Status Service Requirements on iDrive. That takes you directly to the date and mileage fields. You do this first because altering the wrong screen can reset other reminders. Make sure you record the current service date and mileage so you can restore accurate history if needed. Authorization may be required on newer models, so have your owner info ready. You now edit the service date itself. Select the specific service item, oil, inspection, or brake, then pick Edit or Reset. Use the rotary controller to step to day, month, year. You must confirm each field so the system accepts the change. Once you set the desired date, press Confirm or Apply. Some iDrive versions require a press and hold to write the change to the car's module. This method ensures the date aligns with mileage, preventing premature reminders or skipped services. After editing, save and exit the menu, and then fully cycle the ignition. Turn the car OFF, wait 10 seconds, then on to force the system to refresh. You should verify the new date appears in service history and watch for any warning lights. This proves the write succeeded. If the date doesn't stick, you may lack write permission to the control module. In that case, use a BMW-approved diagnostic tool or contact a dealer for module-level reset. One quick tip: clear any pending errors before retrying the write.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.